Welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, let's talk about how to earn money in Facebook. But before I will start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more video. Let's go. Facebook. You can make money through Facebook by creating engaging content, joining affiliate programs, selling products on the marketplace, and leveraging Facebook groups. Certainly, here's an elaboration of how you can make money on Facebook by creating engaging content, joining affiliate programs, selling products on the marketplace, and leveraging Facebook groups. Creating engaging content. One of the primary ways to monetize on Facebook is by creating content that resonates with your audience. This can include informative articles, entertaining videos, eye-catching images, and thought-provoking posts. Engagement metrics such as likes, comments, and shares contribute to your visibility, potentially attracting brands and partnerships. Joining affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing on Facebook involves promoting products or services from other companies through unique affiliate links. When your audience makes purchases through these links, you earn a commission. Sharing well-crafted posts that genuinely endorse products relevant to your audience can result in effective affiliate marketing. Selling products on the marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a platform for buying and selling various items, both new and used. If you have physical products to sell, you can list them on the marketplace. High-quality images, accurate descriptions, and fair pricing can attract potential buyers and generate sales. Leveraging Facebook groups. Facebook groups provide a space for like-minded individuals to connect and share interests. You can create or join groups related to your niche, industry, or expertise. Engaging actively in these groups by offering valuable insights, answering questions, and sharing relevant content can position you as an authority and potentially attract clients or customers. Monetizing your Facebook page. If you have a Facebook page with a significant following, you can explore options like the Ad Breaks program. This program allows you to earn money by inserting short video ads into your longer videos, generating revenue based on ad views. Direct sales through Messenger. Facebook Messenger can be utilized to connect with potential customers directly. You can showcase products, answer inquiries, and facilitate purchases through private messages, providing a personalized shopping experience. Promoting local services. If you offer services like tutoring, coaching, photography, or event planning, Facebook can serve as a platform to advertise your skills and attract local clients. Use your page to share success stories, client testimonials, and examples of your work. Effective use of visuals. Visual content tends to perform well on Facebook. Utilize high-quality images, videos, and infographics to capture your audience's attention and communicate your message effectively. Engaging with your audience. Regularly interact with your followers by responding to comments, messages, and inquiries. Building a strong rapport fosters trust and encourages repeat engagement, which can lead to increased sales and opportunities. Sharing valuable content. In addition to promotional content, share valuable and educational content related to your niche. This positions you as an authority and keeps your audience engaged and interested in your offerings. Using Facebook Live. Facebook Live offers a unique opportunity to engage with your audience in real time. You can use this feature to host Q&A sessions, product demonstrations, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or even virtual events. Engaging live content can drive interaction and encourage viewers to support you through various means. Hosting webinars or workshops. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can use Facebook to host webinars, workshops, or training sessions. These sessions can be offered for a fee or as a free introduction to your services, allowing you to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. Engagement and feedback. Actively seek feedback from your audience about their preferences and needs. Tailoring your content or offerings based on their input shows that you value their opinions and can lead to more effective monetization strategies. That's all, folks. Hope you learned something new about how to earn money in Facebook. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for our latest upload.